Hey guys, this is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So very quickly, let me introduce myself. I'm a professional trader and I've just started to make some YouTube videos where I try to explain to you guys everything that I usually do at work to set up my trades. So I mostly use technical analysis, but I also read the flows, read the option market, and any information that can help me to build up my view. So in this video, I want to make an update on the coins. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so which one should I start with? Let's start with the Dogecoin because this is the one that everybody's talking about. I like to do coins because, they're easy. Seriously, they don't have any fundamentals and they are just following, for me, the technical analysis that everybody is using to trade those. They are kind of, pump and dump assets, especially for the Dogecoin, which value is really nothing, but still it's going higher. You can check the videos I did 1 or 2 weeks ago. I think I did 2 videos on Dogecoin, and it was during this correction, and I was telling you guys that we are bullish, that the fifth wave is coming and it's going to be powerful and it's going to go to zero. I said 0.9, then I said 0.8 when I saw this dip. So I did my first video here, second here, and 0.8 is still my target, but let's update that. This is a target that I give from when we were at 0.3. Now that we are at 0.7, I have more information. So let's check this information and see what we can deduce. So very quickly, the first reason, guys, I was bullish is just Elliott wave counting. I do my counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each motive wave can be broken down in 5 waves, and each corrective waves can be broken down in ABCs, 3 waves corrective patterns. And here it's quite clean. I can do it properly. So I'm kind of convinced that this is a 5th wave. Now, where is it going? I can use Fib extensions and I can also do some Elliott wave counting inside of it. So if I use Fib extension, this is what I showed you guys already. You measure the 3rd wave, you apply it to the bottom of the 4th wave, and you go to the 1.618. All right, so 0.78. You can also go to the 2.618. This can happen. All right, so we have just one information is that this is kind of the minimum we would go to before some correction. Then I know that Elon Musk is talking tomorrow, and guys, the saying, buy the rumor, sell the news. So people like to buy because they think something is going to happen, but once it is actually happening, usually they're disappointed and they are, oh, now that we know that, even if it's good, what else are we going to have to actually bring some hope and bullish momentum? Nothing, because the news has passed, good or bad. This is, the psychological mechanisms that are actually taking place when we have this kind of announcements. So I'm from those, who've seen that many times, and I think that the market is going to drop just before Elon Musk is talking, or just right after, roughly when he's going to talk. But for now, we are not there yet. Let's analyze this 5th wave. So let me get rid of it. Let's zoom in on the hourly time frame and let's see what Elliott wave is telling us here. So I didn't do it before, guys. I'm going to do it right away with you. We are trying to find 5 waves. 1, 2. Definitely this is a 3. So I'm not sure if the 3 is done or not. So I'm going to go inside my 3, change the color. Okay, I'm going to change the color later, and I'm going to do the same thing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one is easy to get. This is a 4, this is a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so this looks like... Okay, let me change the color. I know this is a 4 because this is a triangle, guys. When you spot a triangle, you know it's a 4. So this is a 4. So then this is a 3. So up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you can see I can do the same thing. All right, bam. So you just do it like this, guys. I have not done this before, so I'm doing it right now with you. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, so this is a 3, and my 1 is supposed to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well. So it's something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, this is working. So then what do we have? So this is a 2. So 1, 2. So this is a 3. Perfect. We have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. This one is not very clean, but let's accept it like it is. 3. Okay, so we're doing a 4. Okay, so now I got few information, guys, new information. Is that possible that I'm missing something here? So we are only in the third wave. I was checking if actually, this third wave could be here. So this is the question I'm having. Do we have on the short term one or two more moves up to come? At least one, maybe two. And to know that, I need to know if this could work. So can it be a 5 actually? Then when would be the 3? I don't see it. I'm wondering if I can have a fifth wave here. So then my fourth wave, okay, this would be then like this. No, it's not working. You see, it's not working. So I have two more moves to come, guys. All right. I first need to finish the fifth wave. That is probably going to go to 0.8. Then we're going to correct a bit deeper. And then we're going to have one last move up. All right. And this is going to be the fifth wave complete. So then this one last move up might go to the next fib retracement. So we would do it slowly, but we can do it like here, measure the third wave here and apply it to the bottom wherever it will be. All right. So maybe something like this. Or we can do it with the fifth wave here, the third wave here, and do the same thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The third wave is here. And we're having different information, all right? So we don't know where the third wave is going to go. So let's see. We're going to have different targets. We're going to improvise when the market is going to giving us more information, more data. For now, what I can tell you guys is that I see this fifth wave that is not complete. I think we're on the third wave of the fifth. And so we're going to have one more move up, then one correction, and then one last move up, maybe going around 150, the 150 area. So actually, this is maybe going to be the correction with the buy the rumor, sell the news. And then actually, there's going to be one more move up because Elon Musk would have said something amazing. That's possible. Let's quickly have a look at the Bitcoin. Guys, I told you that I was bearish on this one. I said that 1 or 2 weeks ago. This is what I see. All right. We're having here the ending diagonal. So let me just show you quickly again on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we had here the fourth and here the fifth wave doing a beautiful ending diagonal with a wedge pattern. All right, this was before the 15th of April. So when we broke the wedge pattern around the 15th, 20th of April, I told you guys we are correcting, and this is going to last 2 months. Then we having here this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's go on the 4 hours. We're having here the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Usually the correction is going to be 5, 3, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. A, B, C here going to 59,000. It's a lot. I thought we would correct around 55, 57,000. We went to 59, but it doesn't change much to my analysis. We still did a ABC, 3 waves. So right now I'm expecting, guys, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going down, going to 42,000. And this is going to happen soon. So maybe this week or next week. So let's see if I'm right about that. If I am, then I'm probably going to be right as well about what is going to come next, which is a flat correction. So my scenario is that first we go to 42,000, we bounce back to the all-time highs, we go again here, and we around June, July, we then do the final move up. All right, that is going to bring us to the 100,000 area, probably slightly above. And the Ethereum, the last one. So here I just wanted to show something. I did the video, but I didn't post it because I was too late, guys. Just to show you the difference between the Ethereum and the Bitcoin. Something very interesting is that on the Bitcoin here, we have this wedge pattern. And so let's go on the daily. We had this wedge pattern, so forget about all the drawings, only focus on this. Here is the wedge pattern, guys. Here and here, all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in yellow. And you can see that here between the 1 and the 5, the market is going higher, but with less energy than it used to before. This is why the MACD is going lower. And here we had this beautiful bearish divergence, guys. I told you about that as well. I gave you this divergence, a long time ago around around the 5th of March, guys. You can go and check my videos. I told you that this is the final wave. Anyway, I knew we would go down. I mean, there was a high probability we break it on the downside and that we do a corrective pattern. And on the Ethereum, guys, I just checked this last week and I didn't post my video, so you can trust me or not trust me. But what is sure is that you don't have this bearish divergence. I take the same dates. Here, the market is going higher, just like for Bitcoin, but the MACD is going higher as well. Not a lot, I agree, but the MACD is going higher as well. So there is no divergence. And here we have this strong move up. So the question is, where might we be heading? As usual, guys, I do my counting. I'm not going to show you this in very detail in this video because I unfortunately don't have time. I need to go to work. But you measure the third wave, you apply it to the bottom of the fourth wave, and you check your ratios. And the most likely one, the 1.618, is 4,364. So let's call it 4,300. So I think we are going to go in this area before maybe correcting more. And once again, I'm going to go on the shorter term to do some more Elliott wave counting and to try to see if this is fitting. So just very quickly, I'm going to do it right now with you very quickly. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so this is a fifth wave. You can see this is easier than on the Dogecoin because the patterns are cleaner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, you can see right away. Then ABC. Put this one in green. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here a flat, guys. It's like perfect. Once again, you can see that we are respecting all the Elliott waves rule is that when you have a zigzag in the second wave, you usually have a flat in the third wave. And here we're having our 5 waves as well. So this counting is very clean. Once again, guys, as it always is on the cryptocurrencies that are very good to use. And right now we're in the 5th wave, and I'm pretty sure the 5th wave is going to 4,300 by doing a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so this is my view. 4,300 on the 17th of May, then we correct. Let's see if this is correct. I give you my view on the Dogecoin. I give you my view on the Bitcoin that is bearish, and on the Ethereum that is bullish. So guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. See you guys.